Today is Sunday, August 14th, 2022. This video is for this pair of Acoustic Research AR-4X speakers. I have them listed on various sales sites. So if you see this video months from now, they may have already been sold. But if you saw an active listing and came to this video, they're probably still available if the listing is still active. Okay, now I've removed the grill from one speaker, and these speakers, the grill is basically just sitting there. I'll probably use like some sort of not too adhesive tape to keep them in place if I have to ship them. And the only way I can get them off is to like stick a little razor in there and try to pull it out like that. Some sort of adhesive here, I think, or is it stuck on there's some sort of adhesive still there. I can get that off. Okay, I'm gonna now be trying to do an acoustics test or sound test, and I'm gonna leave the grills off for that. Unfortunately, I'm about 20 feet away from my sound source, so I have to keep going back and forth. I'm gonna turn the volume up a little and do a close-up. This is the left speaker playing alone. This is the right speaker playing alone. And that's both speakers playing again together. And that's it for the Acoustic Research AR-4X speakers. I'll just increase the volume a little. I don't want to blow them or anything. Thank you.